Dealing with a dog's aggressive behavior towards people is a serious problem that should be handled carefully and safely. Aggressive behavior usually means something else is bothering your dog. Here's a structured plan to help you address and manage the behavior. The first and most important step is to keep everyone safe: your dog, yourself, and other people. Try to avoid situations that make your dog act aggressively. For example, if your dog gets upset around strangers, don't take it to crowded places until it's better trained. Use tools like a muzzle if needed to keep your dog under control and prevent accidents. Keeping things safe makes it easier for your dog to learn and for you to stay in control. Before you begin any training to fix aggressive behavior, it's important to make sure your dog is healthy. Sometimes, aggression is caused by pain, illness, or other medical problems. That's why a full checkup with a veterinarian is a smart first step. If your dog is in pain or not feeling well, no amount of training will work until the health problem is treated. If your dog shows signs of aggression, it's very important to get help from someone who really understands dog behavior. A certified dog behaviorist or a certified professional dog trainer with experience in handling aggression can make a big difference. They know how to safely and effectively work with dogs like yours. The right professional will use calm, positive techniques that help your dog feel more secure and learn better ways to behave. When dealing with an aggressive dog, it's important to avoid common mistakes that can make things worse. Never use punishment, as it can increase your dog's fear and make the aggression stronger. Also, pay attention to your dog's warning signs, like growling. Growling is how dogs communicate that they are uncomfortable. Don't punish it. Respect it as a sign that your dog needs space or help. A great way to help your dog change aggressive behavior is by rewarding calm and good actions. When your dog stays calm instead of reacting aggressively, give treats, praise, or play as a reward. Positive reinforcement builds trust and encourages your dog to behave better. A dog behavior corrector tool is a safe and effective way to help train your dog and manage unwanted behaviors like excessive barking, jumping, or aggression. Dog barking deterrent device is a safe and simple way to help train your dog and control unwanted behaviors. It's harmless to people and catches your dog's attention without hurting them. The device is small and lightweight, so you can easily carry it in your pocket or bag. It also has a flashlight for use at night. It's perfect for use at home or on walks, and it can even help keep unfriendly dogs away. With your support and guidance, your dog can learn to feel more calm, confident, and comfortable around people.